Okay, let's go do it now.
Alright.
I'm sorry, boys. I don't think I can help you. But Mr. Culpepper, sir, doesn't your company make fine small fire sauce? Well, that's true, Shaggy.
Is he supposed to be a mayor or something?
I don't know.
Okay. Enough with the big voice.
Eh,
I mean, you know, my voice.
I am.
Now I was able to prove a small fire for myself.
But why is it all white? Like, he looks like a KFC.
KFC, the guy that like only the KFC like took
He
the time to give fried chicken.
forgot to say something. Finger looking good.
Oh my gosh, no.
My bad.
Has been overrun by dangerous jungle animals. Like, come on, Scoob. If we want to find the peppers, we'd better collect those supplies.
Alrighty. Okay. I'm
Okay.
guessing this is the monster, right? Or the monster.
That's an alligator or crocodile. I don't know. I mean, well, we haven't played this game in a very long time since this is like our childhood game. Oh, I see a snake right there. Wait. Oh shoot. Wait. H for help. Okay. Okay. So, spacebar is action. Obviously, the walking key is that. Save, load, exchange.
You should save first just to make sure.
Well, wait. Hang on, let's get bananas
We
first.
can use that.
Okay. Wait. Use the bananas. Use bananas. Use the bananas. Okay, there you go. What's this?
We can use that. I need it.
Wait, I see a frying pan over there. Yeah, that's frying pan over here. What do I do?
Oh, I think for the frying pan you can use for the
What do I do with the coconuts then?
throw at the.
That was dangerous.
Jeez, that looks so creepy. Can I just like smash him in the face?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay then.
You could go. What are you doing?
Wait. Oh wow. Okay, I haven't played
and
this game in a
then-
long time, but I still know it's. Oh shoot.
Oh shoot. Okay, I'm guessing you have to throw another coconut.
Oh, wait, there's a boulder up there though. Do you see those rocks? Oh shoot. Sorry.
Just throw it.
Wait, I remember. Wait. Wait, oh my gosh. There you go. And then the crocodile is this one. No, use this. Not yet?
The frying pan.
Oh, oops, wait.
No, I'm guessing you have to cook it from over there. My bad.
You think? Yes, you can. Wait, what? What?
Okay, I'm guessing.
Can we burn it?
No, you have to cook it first. So frying pan and then.
It says we can. Look, Shaggy said he can, but like, with what though? I'm so confused. Okay. Oh come on, just like use this. Use the frying pan.
Oh, don't rage yet. Look, you already in hell.
Almost. But
Just
Wait.
throw the.
How though? I can't escape from the alligator. Okay, hold on.
Just save.
Yeah. Let's save here, cause this is okay. How do we get rid of this alligator?
Here, let me try.
Okay, yeah, you try.
Wait, what was the switch?
Wait, hold on. Okay. No, not that. No. Look, this. Oh, oops. Wait, no, look. Use this. Okay. And then spacebar, you do action.
No, I meant for the switch.
What do you mean for the? Oh, no, it's T.
Oh, it's two.
What?
Oh.
What are we supposed to do with him?
Do we get something from the water? I guess so.
Wait.
Nope.
Wait a minute. Something has to do with those rocks, though. I feel like it has to do something with those rocks.
Just
there.
jump over there. Oh yeah, you can jump over there. So look,
Wait, how?
just go over here and press.
No, I can't get over that.
What is that?
No, we are not going to cheat. We're not going to just look up, just look it up and see what we need to do. I feel like it needs to do something with those borders, but how?
Okay, I will not look it up.
Come on, wait. Come on. Okay, they won't give us any hints.
Okay, you know what?
It has to do something with that rock.
I think you have to go back over there. But
I can't go back. Dude, the tree is over here.
oh,
I can't get over the river, and like the bridge is like in the river, so I can't go to the other side.
You can get one of these.
I was there earlier. I can't get them either.
Oh, then what should we do? Just try something that I think.
Well, we're stumped. Stumped already, like on the first level. Oh my gosh.
We can use that.
Oh my gosh, I finally found it. Are you serious?
And then I think we're gonna put it on fire.
Really? Ugh.
I
They
thought
look
you got.
exactly. Oh my gosh, they look exactly alike.
Alright, and then
Wow. Okay, do I just like scare it off now? There you go. That's what you get. Now we can use this. Yes. Finally.
oh, I don't like that face though.
It's just a statue.
Yeah, statue can make faces. Bruh.
Oh no, I remember this.
Yep. There you go.
Oh great. Well, we're gonna have to do this.
Yep.
Okay, well, alright. Okay, so press spacebar to wait. Steer the canoe along the river, slow, and then ducks the canoe water, so the control.
Yeah.
Okay.
Save.
Oh shoot, yeah. Okay, I don't want to go back there again. Go away. Ooh.
Oh my
No.
gosh.
No. It's okay. We're fine. Just
Yeah, we're
going
good.
along the way. Oh no. Oh shoot. We're not even close to it. Wait. Oh, don't do that. Come on.
That works. How can they breathe? How do they can
Maybe
breathe?
they. Well, I mean, they could just breathe for a short time. Oh no.
Dude, you have one life left.
Please. Come on. Just get through this.
Okay.
Come on. Oh wait.
300.
No. Oh, no, one more. Oh no. I'm sorry. I did not mean to.
That's okay.
No, it's okay. We can load game. We can go back in there. Okay, we're good. See? Oh. Our scare meter is still there.
That's okay.
Okay.
You know what?
Alright, just to be a bit more calmer. Just get through this.
Be the crane.
Be the crane. No. Oh, come on.
I thought you were gonna be a crane.
I was wrong. No. Okay. No, not the alligator. No. Okay. Come on. Just go. No. Oh, come on. You've got to be kidding.
You can do it.
Come on. Let's move. Go.
Oh.
Go over here. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. Really? Okay. Come on.
Do not pull me.
Please.
Oh, 100, 100.
What? 100?
That's my whining song.
Control. No, please, please. Oh, God.
Control, control.
Wait, how am I supposed to get through this? How am I supposed to do that? What?
Go to the up.
There was too many rocks in the way.
I think the episode should be.
I don't know, but okay, let's just try to get through this. But how am I supposed to get through that though? There was rocks in the way.
You can just go like way smooth though.
Okay, hide from them. Hide. You were under the water. Can I get through them?
How about staying for that for a long? You cannot stay for that long time, right?
I don't know.
I think you can, and then you can move the boat.
No. Come on. Nope. 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 Okay. Come on, just take it nice and easy. Okay, that is never mind. That is not easy. Oh gosh, whoa! I noticed the bush, but I still got through it. Come on, nice and easy. Okay, got past the alligators. You're doing fine.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
Okay, alright. Come on, past the piranhas.
And there's the big.
Okay.
rock
Oh
speed.
gosh. Okay, over here.
Yeah, it's that part. You
Oh,
no, no, no,
oh
do not
no!
go there. Just go over the other side.
How am I? Oh no! I already got through it anyways.
Anyway, I think we're almost done.
Come on, please, please.
100,
please.
100.
Why? Oh my gosh, wait. Yes! Yes! Okay, alright, we did it. We did it.
Well, we're being chased by a terrifying monster, and I lost our map in the river. But I guess things can be worse.
Oh
And
man.
at least we still have our canoe.
Well, not anymore.
I think we're going.
To be continued. Wait, that it?
Yeah. And now it's for part 2.
Oh yeah, part 2. Okay, well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first part of the Scooby-Doo series. This was episode 1, as you can see up here.
We were raging quit.
Not really. I mean, it was kind of a short game anyways, but we'll do episode 2 next time. So stay tuned for that. All right, well, see you watchers.